today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to your team account. If you need to add a new teammate so they can access your shared workspace, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what to select, and what happens after you send the invitation, so you can do it confidently without missing anything. To begin, look for your profile picture in the interface. This is usually located in a top corner of the screen and acts as the main access point for your personal and account level options. Click on your profile picture to open the menu, then select Account Settings. Once you're inside Account Settings, find and click on Team. This section is where you manage the people who have access to your team environment. After you open the team page, look for the Invite People button and click it. This will open the invitation form where you can add a new user to the account. In the email field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the address is typed correctly because the invitation link will be sent directly there. If there's a typo, the person may never receive the invite, which can delay access. Next, choose the role you want to assign. You'll typically see options like admin or member. This choice is important because it determines what level of access the person will have after they join. An admin usually has broader permissions, such as managing settings or other users, while a member generally has more limited access based on regular collaboration needs. Before sending the invite, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right role for that person. Once the email is entered and the role is selected, click Send Invite. At that point, the invitation is sent and the person will receive a link they can use to join the team. They'll need to open that link and complete the join process from their side. If you don't hear back from them, it can be helpful to ask them to check their inbox as well as their spam or junk folder, just in case the message was filtered. It's also a good idea to double check that you invited the correct email address, especially if they mention they didn't receive anything. That's it. Open your profile picture, go to Account Settings, select Team, click Invite People, enter the email, choose the appropriate role, and send the invitation so they can join your team.